Hi viewers, today I am going to explain about oxygen giving plants and their importance in this critical situation. Everyone must know the benefits of these plants which you have to keep indoors to get fresh air and get rid of air pollution. In this pandemic situation, everyone is facing lack of oxygen in their premises. So try to improve the air quality in your home with these oxygen giving plants. It is very useful to everyone. These oxygen giving plants have special quality which will produce oxygen at night time also. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. The first and important oxygen giving plant is snake plant. It is also called as Sansevieria. It is one of the few plants that can convert carbon dioxide into oxygen at nights. This quality makes it ideal plant. Keep snake plant in bedroom for a slight oxygen boost while you sleep. It can help regulate healthy airflow in bedroom. Plant is one of the best indoor plant for air purification. It removes toxins from air like formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, benzene and xylene. This plant you can easily maintain in your home and you will get in affordable prices. The second important oxygen giving plant is peace lily, commonly known as spathiphyllum. It is an amazing air purifying plant. In a NASA study, peace lily filters benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, toluene and ammonia from indoor air. Peace lily releases oxygen at nights. It has ability to remove airborne mold which helps alleviate allergies and asthma symptoms. The peace lily is known to increase room humidity by up to 5%, which is great for breathing while sleeping. Third important oxygen giving plant is aloe vera. Aloe vera also releases oxygen at night. Aloe vera purifies air. It helps us to breathe easily while we sleep. This plant can purify benzene, formaldehyde from air. Aloe vera is not only air purifying plant, it has lot of medicinal values. It is very useful in for health purposes also. This plant easily you can grow at your home. It is very useful plant in many ways, as you can watch my video clearly about the benefits of this plant. Fourth important oxygen giving plant is pothos, also known as money plant. This plant produces large amount of oxygen at night. Pothos is very apt at removing VOCs and toxins from the surrounding air. According to the clean air study by the NASA, pothos plant removes pollutant such as benzene, toluene, formaldehyde, carbon monoxide and xylene from the air. It is a decorative ornamental plant. You can grow pothos very easily anywhere. You can grow it in water also. You can easily propagate pothos plant. It is very easy to maintain. These are few important oxygen generating plants you can grow easily at home with affordable prices. In this pandemic, it is a wake up call for everyone to protect ourselves by growing these type of plants. Nowadays, oxygen levels are very low. By growing these type of oxygen plants, you can increase oxygen levels at your home. If you save trees, it will save you. Thank you.